Your iPhone shows notifications as your apps are pushing them out, but there is also a notification center that has all your notifications collected in one place. To access Notification Center, you'll swipe down from the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a summary of all your notifications grouped by app. You can tap a group to expand it, and then tap Show Less to minimize it. Tap any notification to go directly to that app. To exit Notification Center, you can swipe all the way up and you'll end up back on your lock screen or home screen. You can pick any notification and swipe left to view more options. You can, for example, mute notifications temporarily from that app. You can swipe left to clear notifications. Use the Clear button, or just swipe all the way to the left to remove notifications from your screen. If you want to clear all notifications at once, use the X on the top. If you go to Settings and scroll down to Notifications, you can configure notifications for individual apps. You can choose the notification style and whether you hear sounds or see the red numbered notification badges on the app icon, or you can disable notifications completely for a specific app. If you don't want to receive notifications throughout the day, you can turn on the Scheduled Summary. This will hold all your notifications and then push them out at specific times. It's a pretty nice way to reduce distractions if you're getting a lot of notifications from your apps. And there you have it. Click that like button if this was helpful, and drop me a comment if you have any questions. Thanks all. Hope to see you in another video.